petcock's on right now.
Okay.
Why don't you trip that on and off and see if you can make it work.
Turn it on and off?
Yeah.
Okay.
You gotta remember to turn that thing off every time you park.
Okay.
See where it says off there?
That's off.
Okay. No, not quite. It's gotta be flat. There you
That's
go.
off. Oh.
It'd be flat to the screws, so you're a little high, but that's close enough. That's flat like this,
Okay.
not flat. Well, the gas tank, the same angle as
Oh,
this
okay.
would be
Okay,
fine.
okay.
But anyway, that's that. Now turn it to on position,
That's what's hard.
switch it straight with a hose, and it's fine.
Okay.
And when the bike starts to die on you when you're riding, just flip it up to reserve and it'll come back on.
Oh, okay.
And then go get some gas.
Got it.
And do that.
And
So how's everything else
neutral?
working?
Huh?
Everything else is working okay? Shifter works except for neutral, and brakes and all that are working?
Yeah, the brakes are working great.
Okay.
It was just finding neutral I was having a hard time with.
Yeah, do it as you're coming up to a stop.
Yeah.
I don't like having a clutch on more than I have to. It's hard on the throwout bearing. Unlike what they teach you in class. Stupid.
They teach you all the wrong stuff in class, huh?
Pretty much.
They teach you how to crash, though.
Well. You're supposed to know how to do that before you got on the bike.
Huh?
You should already know how to do that.
Yeah. Well, I learned that one the hard way.
Alright, back it up. Turn up onto the sidewalk this time, it's easier.
Okay.
So turn to the left right now. All the way, full lock. There you go. That works better, see?
That is better.
Because that hill's not nearly as much as that hill.
All right.
Crank her up. So just go right around the neighborhood where you want to do it and then coming back.
Okay.
If there's any other issues, we'll find them, and if everything looks good, you should be good to go for take it for a day or two and then come back and let me know how everything's work after you put a few miles on it. What are you doing?
You don't have to put the choke on yet anymore?
Is it cold?
Only when it's cold.
Are you cold?
No.
If you're not cold, the bike's not cold.
Okay. Okay.
If it don't start, you give it one squirt.
Yes, I can. I think we need a bigger dip than that.
You need to put a little tang on the end of the kickstand for your foot.
Okay.
So you can't reach down and hit that and do the throttle at the same time. You gotta hit the throttle. Come on this side of the bike. Chopper positions are not the most friendly. See, now it idles, see?
Huh?
Now it idles.
Yeah. Really?
Makes a big difference. You're clear. There, she's riding better now. She's not so nervous. And the bike's idling now. I don't know what's up with that stupid choke, but there you go. Ride like I do. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's about 25 miles an hour. Be fine. I can really blow up on this camera, see? There we go. We can get airplanes around here. No. Sounds like a private plane. That is a private plane. See? Somewhere up in here is a plane. Alright, that's it for that. She'll be back.